Hey everyone! Today the Tool Marketing channel is back to share with everyone about a chaotic software on the Facebook platform that enables us to retrieve all comments from a Facebook post. Here, I will take an example, found on Ronaldo's homepage. I'll take one of his posts. Here we have nearly 2,000 comments. First, we need to access the live timeline of this post to get the comments. Access the real-time timeline of this post. First, copy the link of that post. After that, I will change that Facebook link into an ID by accessing the website id.treo.shop.com. After that, paste the link in and we will get the ID from that post. Once you get the ID, a series of numbers will show up. Copy this number and use one of our software tools. Click on the option to scan this post and then select Scan Comments from this post. Paste the ID here to get it. Here, our article has many comments, but I will take an example here of 100 comments. Everyone can change the number here to 2,000 comments if they want. After that, we click Start. Just give it a moment for the software to work. When the software is active, it will access my Facebook account that is stored in this software. It will go into that post and retrieve the content of the people commenting here. As you can observe, all the comments are displayed before you. This action will be completed quickly. If we want to scan 100 people here, it will scan them. After the scan, you can save it as an Excel file. Save any file. For example, I will call it the Paulman file. Romando. Next, open this file. Find this file and open it. Then we will obtain this file for every group. The name of the person, break time, their gender, either male or female, and the link to their Facebook profile, break time, what they comment about, and finally, the time they commented, which will be sorted by the most recent comments first, break time. This is a tool that helps us scan and gather a lot of useful information from group scans. Break time, scan the members of the group, gather group information, and scan groups based on keywords, break time, or scan according to fan pages, break time or 0.6. We can also perform similar scans, or scan profiles like friends, or scan the group of that account, break time, or scan those who follow, break time. As for scanning posts, we can identify those who like, comment, or share that post, break time. If you find this tool useful, contact me directly for support and guidance on using it. Break time. Thank you all for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.